What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Bit of abandoned nightclub explore is what I'm going to say. You look around this place thinking in Belgium or something, but we're not. We're here in South Wales. And check this place out. So just point up there, 1979. So it's got that proper German vibes about it. It's different, that's all I'm going to say. Very different. A dude over there with his Stein. Someone's obviously been in here recently eating chips, as you do. It's quite dark up in here, so apologies if it's dark on there. I can't even begin to tell you lot watching this, the smell of the place. It ain't smelling good. Toilet areas. How many drugs do you think was done up in this place back in the day? Are people having too much of a good time with the other sort? Red stripe, gotta love it. And toilets. Obviously cubicles and down. Yuck. Smelling it. Just gonna have a little look upstairs then. I can see Karen's already up here. This little booth, certainly different. Bar area, getting on the mountains, Alps sort of thing. Gives you some indication like when I was around. The old school labels. Stats and brass spoken here. Don't know if that was a correct pronunciation. If it was, give me some credit. Straws everywhere. This place is weird. Right, so there we have it, guys. We're in the downstairs bar area. Someone's literally left the pram here. You know, not cool bringing kids to a nightclub. Well, you know, it's a lot smaller than what I thought it was going to be, if I'm honest. So if you're going to travel far, wouldn't really bother unless you got a bunch in the area. But what we'll do is take you on a little look we would have queued to come in, because that's where the experience starts. Because look at the walls, like you're walking through a mountain or something, the way they've bloody done it. Cross over the wire. And this is where your fun would have started. A couple more rooms. Stepped on something good. Main entrance. So you can hear the traffic out there because it is a main road. Now I mind the step. I'm taking the piss a little bit. Excuse me, sorry, actually swearing. Oh, okay. That's where the kitchen used to be, or some sort of area. Gentleman toilets as well. That's going. Check out all that is. Seen better days, I know. Makes you think how safe this place actually is when you've just looked at that flooring below. Sorry guys, I know it is dark now. Another area. Flooring again isn't great. Lack of flooring, more like. Yeah, not gonna go too far in here to be honest with you, because it's all sogged right through. Plus there's not a lot to see downstairs bar, and that's after that area. So yeah guys, I'm gonna wrap the video there. I know it's not the most incredible of explores, but it's an explosive and derelict It's not all over YouTube, which is always nice. Maybe there's a reason for that. And yeah, take care, peace and love as always. See you at the